Hi, today I'm going to unbox Dr. Squatch. Now, Dr. Squatch makes a variety of personal care products with clean ingredients. So a while back I bought a box and I shot a video on it, and the video got corrupted. So I'm attempting to recreate that video. I don't have the pretty little box everything came in, but the good thing about it is I've now had several weeks to try out these products and get a better idea of which ones I like and which ones I don't like. So let's do it. I received two different kinds of bar soap. They also have a citrus, but this one is my absolute favorite. This one smells fantastic. I'm going to show you the label here. I have deodorant. A lot of their soaps come in these same scents. Right here, they do have a bar soap with this scent. Now, I'm not a big fan of the texture of these deodorants, but they do work really well. If I had to choose out of these three, this would be the one I would choose. It's got a woodsy kind of smell. Now I have a body lotion. I ordered these online, but you can actually buy this at Kroger and Walmart. So I have not tried this one yet. Jury's still out on this one. I'll be trying it later this week. I also have a moisturizing lotion, which I really, really like. Some toothpaste here. You can tell that I've used this one the most. This one is fantastic. I really, really like this one. They're both good, but the citrus mint, you can't go wrong. So overall, this is it. These are kind of pricey now, but I do believe they're worth the money just to have clean personal hygiene items. You're not putting all of those chemicals in your body. So the bottom line is I would highly recommend Dr. Squatch.